Well, definitely we'll have a photo later, and I'm going to be the bad one to intervene right now for them. My 2 minutes, usually get a couple of more minutes a little later. Definitely once. And first of all, you're looking got off. Here I am. Request you to please join us at the red carpet. You've got these amazing looks.
First, I'd like to say hello to everyone and everyone here. Thank you so much for taking out the time and coming. It's really nice to see some of familiar faces.
Thank you for being here. And you've got 3 different stunning, mesmerizing looks for the Cannes Film Festival 2014. Would you like to tell us a little more about and tell our, everybody else here about the
So this year we're doing L'Or Lumière. Very shiny, it's golden, like I explained in the video. It's very bright. All of us sit and design the looks that we try to showcase I remember we tried to do yesterday Hindi film heroines. This year we're trying to do very, very golden and sun-kissed. We're trying to stay away from skin, and we wanted to look bronze and beautiful and pops, because as Indians we tend to like really define our eyes. We've done that as well, but we're trying to kind of focus on lips and color. They look really beautiful. So we're very, very to show you the new looks that we've all designed together that I will in Cannes this year. So we can start with the first look. Great. Guys?
Can we have the first look, please?
Woo! You guys? Okay, so this is again golden. There's a bold red mouth and gold eyeshadow. It's L'Or means gold. It means glistening, it means beautiful, and usually, you know, a lot of makeup brands don't focus on Indian skin, so we're trying to focus. I have a very Indian tone to my skin, so it's my skin color that we've tried to kind of focus here. So the beautiful red lips, gorgeous gold eyeshadow. Obviously, red and gold are Indian colors, so I thought it was very beautiful. Do you want to see the next look, or do you have something to say or add to that?
Because you know what, being a guy wasn't aware with the fact.
I being a
guy wasn't aware that each and every body part is so integral to personality, and definitely highlighting the lips is adding more.
And it's the dough and everything, and I think it's quite beautiful. I mean, you guys have to. We're trying to do something different this year with the makeup trend. Can we see the next look, please? This is for spring, summer, so it's very floral, it's very pretty. We have a tendency towards to go towards like bolder eyes and stuff. This is more bare, more pretty, to highlight our skin. We have beautiful skin. So just to highlight that, and we use pink and peach and silvery eyes, and obviously lots of mascara, which just looks very luminous. And it reminds me like, you know, a flower goddess or a spring goddess, and I think it's beautiful. I love the dress as well, but the makeup is obviously like, as a guy, what do you think?
I would say, indeed, you're looking like a goddess there.
Oh, too many nice things.
No, with the fact, I wouldn't say it would deny the fact that you're looking gorgeous.
You don't know that.
And that you've added, you said spring season, pink, purple this time?
Yeah, pink, purple, peach, and there's like a silvery, like mauvish eyeshadow, which I think is nice. It's quite exciting actually to the market where L'Oreal is trying to promote new color, which is very, very nice because we don't get those color skin, and we're trying to do that in this market this year. See the third look, please, guys. Okay, so this is what I call, I call it Bollywood, but it's actually not. I think it's very nice and sexy. But this is a double liner, because obviously I'm different with it. So there's, I don't know if you guys can, but there's a blue liner underneath with a little bit of, so whenever you put a little gold in the inner corners of your eyes, it makes most Indian girls have beautiful brown eyes. So when it's brown, and when you use blue and when you use gold underneath, it kind of let in your eyes stand out. And the navy blue liner on top, like a purpley navy blue indigo. And you don't have to use black. You can use different colored liners. So we've used 3 different liners, a pink lip, like a subtle lip because the eyes are so hard. So this is my favorite look because at the end of the day, I'm a fit. So I love that as well. And the gown is anyway.
And as you said in the audio visual, that your skin golden adds that extra touch and
Yes,
oomph to that.
yes.
And I want to try out the Laura Lumiere and
Yeah,
look more
yeah. You
golden.
think I'm wearing it today all over my body and on my face and tan from the Maldives. So I'm trying to highlight that. So yeah, I think the bolder you are and the more you embrace your skin color and shy of using bright colors with your skin, it just looks on Indian skin. So yeah.
And in sexy on you.
Oh, thanks. Okay, this guy's really fluffy.
Now, would like to call on stage in
Yeah.
creating these 3 stunning, gorgeous, mesmerizing looks. Brain behind these creative looks, the official beauty expert for Laura, Namrata Soni on stage.
Oh, that's my makeup artist, Nam.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my.
Thank you. Request you to take the hot seat, and thank you guys. And before we begin the question and answer session, I would like to invite Manchi Guha to please join us on stage. Welcome once again. We shall now begin the question and answer session. Request you to please identify yourself.
Other questions you would like to ask? Anybody? Hi.
Good afternoon. What you said was very, very much in vogue. Like I've been seeing white faces throughout years. And that was, I was expecting sometimes it would turn to brown and gold after a long time, but it has happened.
It's golden, everything is golden.
Oh, he used to have fashion events where one looked like the other with white face. And then for photography, it was like white and whatever the clothes were. Thank you. We'll be walking the...
Canvas,
it-
yeah.
Okay, I'm nervous what I have to say. You'll be walking the international, you'll be representing the Indian film, I would call it that.
Yes.
That is what more like it. For Bollywood being the word which is used. And we, of course, applauded as, of course, representing the law as far as that. Now, we have seen that all fabulous gowns, of course, but there could be a change, if at all, not today, not tomorrow, next year, maybe year after, that Indians could carry, maybe made of handlooms, and I'm sure stand out along or away from the other people. Yeah.
Honestly, I've tried to do that every year. I've worn a sari here in Cannes for an important event. At the opening, I wore a lace Indian embroidery, and it was made by Anamika Khanna, Marwari designer who's from Calcutta. And she's very Indian, and her sari is very Indian, and I tried to, and it got great reviews abroad as well. And I was very proud to wear a sari last year at Cannes. And this year, again, we're trying to do something, but there will always be an Indian element. It doesn't matter whether it's on the red carpet or Cannes, where else. But since the first year that I've been representing the Indian film industry at Cannes, I've always been an element of India. So the first year I did a masala designer. The second year I did for the press conference I wore a sari again. Do that as much as I can. But thank you. I will more
You're
time.
better off, and I'm sure we will see those pictures.
Thank
And
you.
in the meantime, hope you meet you remember.
I would love to meet her. Oh, she's beautiful.
Hi Sonam.
Hi. Where are you?
Hi. How are you?
Very good.
Looking stunning. And I would like to ask you
Yes.
how for you, because we keep on seeing you every time, you really make it a different. But how come it's different this time than compared to?
Okay, so every year I try to spot a trend that is actually relevant in India as a trade. So even if following world trends on the red carpet, to do what is significant in the Indian market where my makeup and what I feel Indians will be able to carry off what So this year again, even L'Oreal Paris is trying so hard to create before going to the red carpet so that I spot certain. We go through all this effort and do these photo shoots. Bollywood heroines last year, the yesteryear heroines. Trends, Indian trends abroad, that are, so every year we're trying to change something and make some.
So what's special is the Law Lumiere collection, very relevant for India. We've shot a campaign with her for, print and outdoor and all of that. So that's the big
हाय
Hi.
नम्रता आपसे मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि आपने
We go from really from all the spectrum. And these 3 different shades actually will go on all any skin tone.
A quick question to Mansi from L'Oreal here. Hi, Janvi from Time. Katrina, the brand ambassador recently, she was very excited about wanting to walk carpet. And can you tell us what happened and why she's not on your list this year?
Well, Katrina is very much going to be on the red carpet.
Well, can I be very honest? It's a lot of fun because usually when I am doing a lot of press in India or anywhere else in the world, it's always for something really stressful, like my movie or my brand or something or the other. But this is just about, even though one day I would love film or something to do with the industry, but this is just about looking beautiful, representing your country and having a lot of fun. There are great parties. It's a dream, you know, and without the stress involved. So it's a 3-day holiday that I'm really looking forward to.
And also to answer your question, all the celebrities on L'Oreal Paris are there at Cannes every year. So it's also a time for them to get together, to speak. We also do some launches, shoots. So it's a good time for the brand.
Last year we did a beautiful lipstick commercial, and I don't know if you guys have seen it, but there were like 10 of us in the lipstick commercial, and it was so exciting to meet everybody, and so exciting. I was so excited. I've met Julianne Moore. I've met all these like beautiful French models and French actresses and international actresses and actors, and you see that you realize that you're living in such a bubble and the world is so big, and the bigger you are, the more humble you are and modesty that you have. I thought it was one of the most, it's incredible. They're all there for the brand, so everybody is like really having a good time. They're not stressed that it's my movie premiere or something, like being glamorous and movie stars and looking beautiful and having lots of champagne and having conversation. So it's great.
सोनम सामने आपकी है।
कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बढ़िया। आप कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल अच्छी हूँ।
पूरी बेबी डॉल लग रही हैं आप। आपको नहीं लगता कि ये टाइटल आपको मिलना चाहिए था बेबी डॉल का?
I don't know. Thank you, I guess.
ओके तो ये सारे पोस्टर मैंने देखे और सामने आप लाइव हमारे सामने मतलब कि काफ़ी चमकती हुई बॉडी लग रही है आपकी। तो ऐसी मतलब चमकती हुई बॉडी बनाने के लिए क्या क्या बॉडी पे? मेरा मतलब है कुछ दूध, दही, घी, मक्खन, आइसक्रीम, इनमें से कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेती हैं आप? जवाब तो देने दो, फिर हमें क्यों बुलाया?
I use L'Oreal products. Thank you for your interesting questions. Thank you so much for coming here and for interesting questions. मैं अपनी सेहत का बहुत और मैं L'Oreal products यूज़ करती हूँ and all.
ओके और एक जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं आपके भैया हर्ष बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में डेब्यू
हम L'Oreal Paris के बारे में बात करें और मेरे बारे में बात करें, भाई के बारे में नहीं बात करना चाहती हूँ। शुक्रिया।
Sonam, hi.
Hi.
Sonam, you were a part of a landmark movie last Bhag Milkha Bhag, which can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you?
Bhag Milkha Bhag, which ended up winning almost all the awards, wherever it went. But you didn't award for the same. Is that a cause of concern?
Because I had a 20-minute role in that. I had a special appearance in the film.
Okay.
It's about Milkha Singh, and I did my very best in the movie, and I don't know, I guess Farhan Khan, he was running, so he won the award and he did a job, and Rakesh Mehra did a great job as well. This is an award. He got a national award for Rang De for Delhi's Bhag Milkha Bhag, and I'm just really part of award-winning films, including Ranjana.
Right. Now that you're a part of 2 award-winning movies, will we see you hiking your
See my what?
hiking your fees, upping your fees?
I think it's not fees and money, and can girls ask me questions, because boys ask money and what I eat and my skin, if I have ghee to make my skin look chummy. So Can the girls ask me?
Sonam, hi.
Oh, thank God.
Renuka from Bombay Times.
I know who you are. How are you?
I'm good. Sonam, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
I won't say your skin is but you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you, Renu.
And you are always different. You've always been different. You're who is diplomatic. You speak your mind. And told us that she loved you for that.
Okay.
And she said, very few
Okay.
speak what they feel. And you're
Yeah.
one of them. Proof which was made on you so well on the internet.
It was so funny. I'm sorry, but I can laugh at myself. That's really funny. I swear, every like 3-4 with my friends and we watch it. My sister makes a lot of fun, and I have this different way of talking. Funny, and I tweeted it. I didn't know it would go viral because I tweeted hilarious, and I don't think people sometimes, but I think it's okay to laugh at myself. So I saw it because I know them very well. Like a very close friend of very well. So he said, this video out there, we've made it. And at that time, it had like 80, and I'm sure it was all the company people. So I was like, yeah, I said, then I'll tweet it. I tweeted it, and it went viral. I mean, I got a lot of negative comments for it, but a lot of people thought of myself. So I did it. I don't think so.
Have you to me?
No, I haven't. It's like my dad saying fantastic, amazing. And I'm not an extremely articulate person because I'm all over the place. I'm very flighty, and I'm a Gemini, so things that I think about. So I'm constantly, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? And it's like eccentric in a way. So it's just summed a lot. But then when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I really that. I think I should stop. But I mean, yeah. But I don't know, did you guys find it? I thought it was.
It was very nice. And do you think a lot has been made up because you spoke about a lot of actors on the show. It was not just Reena or someone. But do you think a lot of was made out, Deepika in particular, because you both were extremely close?
No, honestly, I realized that a lot of people say a lot of things about me, but because I go with the spirit of the show, someone has said something about me. But I never react to it. I don't comment on it. I don't make a big deal. And I expect people to do the same reason. I make good comments. So people like to talk about things. And I'm okay with it as long as people are talking about me. But since we're here for L'Oreal Paris, do it. But I think it's a big deal out of something that was supposed to be fun. And I got a lot of messages saying that, oh my God, it was so fun, really, entertaining and stuff like that. But I think I honestly will start being a little more careful. I think I should be giving my opinion as much anymore. I can give my opinion maybe on politics, on other things. But I don't know. It was supposed to be a fun, so I tried to be fun and superficial and not take myself. But I think that's the wrong move.
Move, Sonam. Thank you. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Please.
Sasha from Haute.
Hi, Sasha. Couture?
Yes, actually it's a mix of, that's how we've come
Haute
up with the
couture,
name.
how they say in Paris.
Sonam, in the past we've seen you wearing your mommy
Yes.
line.
Yes.
So do we see you this time again?
Like I said, I really planned my looks. We're trying to plan the looks around them. So after we've decided the makeup looks, that's what we love. We decided what the looks would be, and that's when Gabbana and the Anamika Khanna came into play. So now these 3 looks, and we're going to work around these three different, look actually this year, to kind of showcase those looks. So, and if the jewelry goes, the jewelry goes. If not, then I'll license to wear my mom's beautiful jewelry.
Right. And so have you got any such compliment that, you value a lot that you've received in past couple of years?
I think, they enjoy me going to the festival. I hope they do. Once really pushes me in terms of just creating these looks and giving me really special days to walk the red and giving me a lot of footage and coverage. I don't know value me, but I value the trust that they have in me to kind of represent them on a global platform. And citing that the media is as enthusiastic about me representing India on a global platform. So it's great. I don't know about my own value, but value me, and I don't want to let them down on that. So I try to do my best.
In fact, the European media also covers, so they have TV interviews with her, press. So there's a lot of demand in Europe for working in Cannes.
6 a.m. to 12 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. Anybody? Yeah? Done? Oh. Yeah. 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 Of course they have. If you saw my shoots, the first time when I shoot with L'Oreal, I've grown. They've given me that confidence. Even if you see my TV commercial, they always, like every year, they try to get somebody bigger and better to shoot my commercials and to do it. And this year, some of the commercials we've shot, outstanding. I cannot wait for the marketing. Yes, 100%. Even though the first time, but yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Well, apologies we have. Thank you, Mansi Guhathan. Request you to please stay back for a photo. Request you to also pose here. मैं नहीं पूछूंगा आपका डाइट क्या है